Hey, let me show you how you can fix Bluetooth connection problems on your Realme GT6. So first of all, I will start from the basics. If you are using headphones or speaker, first try to perform the reset of your speaker and enter for the pairing mode. If it still doesn't work, sometimes the simple toggle on, off and on the Bluetooth helps. It's just turning off this function. Now try to connect. But if it still doesn't work, I will recommend you to go into the main settings page, then scroll all the way down and go into the additional settings. Then we have to move for backup and reset. And here you can just reset your phone, but previously you can try to reset the network settings. So it's actually reset network and the Bluetooth settings just from here. If it still doesn't work, try to perform the backup of all of your data, remove your SIM cards and perform the factory reset of your phone to bring back all default settings. If it still doesn't work, try to connect, for example, other Bluetooth device. Maybe the issue is with your device, not with your phone. But if you still cannot connect, probably you have to take advantage of the warranty. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.